Well, as I was saying before about is it better to know or not to know, and there are things about our own identity that we take from the knowledge that we have,
yes, we do.
or the things that we don't know, the assumptions of things that are not there to be known.
And instead of using the word identity, I'd say they have an impact on our ego.
Yes.
Because the more we learn about the universe, the smaller we get, right? In time, in space, in size. And so if you go in...
Not the way you just described it. The way you described it, you're a supernova.
Well,
that makes you bigger.
Well, I think if you know about what's going on, then it's not mysterious and you're a participant in the unfolding cosmos. Otherwise, you are consumed by it and you fear it. And you shun it, and you say, I don't want to know that I live on a speck called Earth, orbiting an undistinguished star in the corner of an ordinary galaxy in an expanding void of the cosmos. There are some happy thoughts in there, like understanding how that worked, recognizing that the human brain figured that out. That's kind of cool. There's a lot we still don't know, but what we do know, I think we can sit proudly and celebrate what we know about the universe. Maybe now, not every one of us figured it. Took a few key people like Newton and Einstein, but we learned what they taught us, and each of them stands on the shoulders of giants that came before them, just as the quote goes. Let's celebrate it, not fear it.
But if we found out that there was life someplace other than Earth, what do you think that would do to our identity or our ego?
It may signal a change in the human condition that we cannot foresee or imagine.
I think it would.
Now, I think the issue would be not if we find bacterial life, which is kind of what we're looking for now. Bacterial life, there's no question about whether in our mind's eye we reign supreme over bacteria, although
it can win.
Bacteria, do you know in 1 linear centimeter of your lower colon lives and works more bacteria than the number of people who have ever been born in the history of the world? So in fact, we are just hosts for bacteria to lead their lives. So from the point of view of a bacteria, we're just a place to live, a dark, warm place to live. But
we're a planet, and they don't believe there's bacteria in any of the other planets.
That'd be an interesting sci-fi novel. So the real issue is, if we find life on another planet that's smarter than we are, that would totally mess with our ego. That'd be the last, nail in the coffin of our ego. That used to be, well, we're humans, we're on Earth, and Earth is small, and sun is insignificant. That'd be the last one, and I don't know how we'd be able to handle that.